Hello friends, I'm Hiba and once again welcome to TechHib. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix one of the most common errors on the Google Play Store. Many times when you try to download a specific app or game, you see a message that says your device isn't compatible with the version. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can easily solve this issue and install any app on your Android phone. So stay tuned till the end. So the step 1 is update Play Store. Go to Play Store. Click on your profile icon, click on settings. Now tap on about and from here click on update Play Store. So a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed. Now close the Play Store completely from the background also. And then reopen it again. Now search for the same app and check if the install button appears or not. After doing this, your problem is still not solved, then go to your device settings. Search for unknown, install unknown apps. Tap on this. Go to this install unknown apps. And from here, enable any browser you are using. For example, Chrome. Go to Chrome and enable this. Then go to the Chrome browser. And search for the app you want to download. For example, I want to download Snapchat. So write Snapchat APK download for Android. Then search and download the APK from anywhere you want. You can download from the Softonic also. Just click on free APK download and download your app. Important tip, ignore sponsored links and click only on the first or second trusted website. So friends, that's how you can easily fix the Play Store error. Your device isn't compatible with this version and install any app or game on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to TechHub for more useful tech solutions. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.